Welcome to HR Chronicle, the best HR and payroll management software in the Middle East region. In today's video, we'll show you two simple and effective ways to reset your HRC password, because we all know how easy it is to forget.
Oh no, I forgot my HRC password. What do I do now?
Don't worry, HR Chronicle has made password recovery super easy. In fact, another HR admin can reset your password for you in just a few clicks and share it with you orally. Let me show you how. Log into HRC and go to the admin section. Navigate to user maintenance. Find and select the user who needs a password reset. Click the edit button. Then click on change password. Enter the new password and confirm it. Click Save. And that's it. The password has been reset successfully.
Wow, that was so easy. But wait, what if no one from HR is available to help me? Can I reset it myself?
Absolutely. Let me show you the second method. Go to the HRC login page. Click on the Forgot Password button. Enter your registered email ID. Click Submit. You'll receive a password reset link in your inbox. Click the link. Enter your username. Set a new password. And confirm it. Click Reset. That's it. You can now log in using your new password. Two easy ways to reset your HRC password. Whether you're getting help from HR or doing it yourself, HR Chronicle makes it fast and simple to get back into your account. For more helpful tips and updates, subscribe to our channel. The best HR and payroll management software in the UAE. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.